The rainforest of Amazon. The rainforest in the Amazon River Basin is one of the densest in the world. Temperature remains high throughout the year. Climate is humid tropical. Thunderbolt from 3 to 4 p.m. Thunderstorms and torrential rains is almost every day seen. On the average, thunderstorms come 100 to 200 times in a year. In the interior part of basin, on the average 160 centimeters, and at the mouth 220 centimeters of rain is observed in a year. Weather remains uniform, i.e. hot throughout the year. The humidity keeps the air full of water vapor. Because of the density, rays of sun cannot enter the forest. So the trees grow higher and higher for light of the sun. Some trees grow as high as 520 feet. The part under the trees always remains dark and damp. Bushes don't grow in the absence of sunlight, but vines grow on the upper part of trees. The leaves of trees here are broad and big. The wood is hard and strong. Rosewood, cinchona, ironwood, rubber, and mahogany trees are found in excess here. The wood of these trees is extremely expensive and high quality, but the cost of cutting and bringing it for usages is very high. To cut the trees and make a path for movement is too difficult. Number of animals found here is extremely large, but most of them are reptiles and live on the trees. A large variety of insects, mosquitoes, butterflies, bats, snakes, mole rats, frogs, flying squirrels, and a large variety of monkeys are found here. Hundreds of rare herbs grow in this forest. Friends, please let me know how you liked the video by commenting. Subscribe to the channel by liking the video. See you again in the next video. Thank you.